PLC4X mainly has the following three benefits. First, it shows the differences in underlying PLC protocols and provides a unified programming interface. Developers now don't need to understand the details of various PLC protocols. They only need to program according to the standardized interface provided by PLC4X, which greatly reduces the learning curve for them. Second, PLC4X supports multiple data storage, including CnosDB. This makes it very easy to transfer PLC data to database. Developers do not need to write complex data transfer logic. They only need to call the APIs provided by PLC4X. This not only improves development efficiency but also enhances the readability of data integration. Third, PLC4X provides rich examples and documentation, making it easy for developers to get started quickly. Whether a beginner or someone with experiences, they can quickly master how to use PLC4X by learning from its documentation and example code. Overall, PLC4X is a very powerful tool that can greatly simplify the development process of industrial automation systems, improve development efficiency, and system maintainability, making it an important asset in this field.